Welcome back to my channel. If you wanna jump into live streaming, I'm gonna show you different tips. Actually, you need to enable, if you wanna go to live streaming like tomorrow, then you need to give YouTube like 24 hours, if especially if it is your first time to do your live streaming. So if you wanna go live, whenever you click on like requesting to go live on YouTube, when you click on that button or tab, you're not gonna go live directly if it is your first time. Especially I'm talking to those small channels, those if you have just created a YouTube channel and you want to go live. By the way, it's going live is one of the best ways to grow YouTube channel. You get your 4,000 watch hour, that is gonna contribute to monetization, and you get 1,000 subscribers very fast compared to the traditional way or the usual way of uploading videos. So if you want to go live, you need to request for that feature to be enabled. Like it's gonna take 24 hours, so you need to request for that feature to be enabled like 2 days before you go live. Okay, let's say if like you will go live on Sunday, then you need to request to go live like on Friday, so that you get that enough time, so that YouTube is gonna, like, I don't know the future, it goes through some kind of like countdown. Then after 24 hours you can go live, and which is super simple. And without ado, let me go to my computer and then show you what you're gonna do to be able to go live. It is very simple. You're gonna enjoy this video. Without ado, let's get into video. So to be able to go live like this, let me show you can enable this feature. It is super simple. Okay, you can see once it's available, your channel can schedule stream go live instantly. So to do that, you can see it's 2 minutes remaining. So to be able to go live, just you need to go to your YouTube studio. Let me show you everything from scratch. Let me just go to my channel. By the way, if you find value in this tutorial, make sure you subscribe and like this video so that you join our community. You can see my channel is very small. We've got 22 subscribers with 6 videos. So it has been around for years, but I decided to work on it so that we can grow this together. And if you're a content creator, then you grow getting more views and subscribers through live streaming. It's great way up, or it's a great option. So just all you need to do is go to your YouTube channel, go to your this kind of like logo or avatar of your channel at the top right corner. Just tap on it like so. Then you're gonna go to YouTube studio. Alright, here we are in YouTube studio. You can see we've got 22 subscribers, very few. I want to grow this channel together so that you can do the same and you get more views and subscribers, and of course get monetized. Alright, so and one way to increase your 4,000, you can get like 4,000 hours of watch time, and with real subscribers and a lot of views, you're gonna be using live. So when you go to at the top right corner, like here where you see create button, okay, or you can see this kind of like go live. When I hover this in the middle icon or button, when you click here on go live, actually wait, so when I click here on go live, it's gonna go live directly. I'm gonna enable that feature for going live so long as you wait for 24 hours. So you're gonna click here, but the easier option is like going here under create. Let me just wait, it's not responding due to internet connection stuff. So I'm gonna tap here on this create button. You can see the icon of camera with plus. I'm gonna tap here like so. You can do it on your computer or on your smartphone, which is also simple. Then you can see upload videos, go live, create post, new playlist, new podcast. So you're gonna choose go live here. Okay, if it is your first time, even if you are been going live, you can tap here and you're good to go. So this kind of, it's like keeping on popping up, but you're gonna tap on go live like so. You're gonna see, you can see now stream. You can see here you don't have access to this feature. Okay, of course you have to wait for 24 hours. Then you can see there is webcam, you don't have access this feature, manage whatever. So you have to wait for 24 hours. I just did it yesterday and I'm still kind of waiting, but very soon I'll be enabled. Okay, so you can see you can wait for it to become responsive or exit the page. Live streaming YouTube, just I'm gonna tap on wait. Wow, you can see here, because I did this one yesterday, and you can see here now we are ready to go live after 24 hours. So you can see it's now 11:39. If you checked when I started this tutorial, yet I did it on 11th. I requested this feature or to access to go live on 11th. Yes, on 11th December 2024. And now you can see welcome to new YouTube live control room. When do you want to go live? Okay, you can see right now. So if you want to go live, you can just tap here and the instruction of setting up, and you can go live. Okay, so you can see get set up to live stream now. Don't worry, you will have a chance to review settings before you are live. Okay, actually when you tap here, you're gonna go into settings, and then you set up everything, whether you're gonna use like other softwares like OBS or whatever kind of software. But even if you use there is a trending platform website that is also used. It is so called Restream. It's so amazing. Also software, if you wanna go live, it's very simple to get started, but I'm gonna make tutorials about that. If so, don't worry, just never mind. But you can see if you want to go live, you can click here on start button, then you set up, then you start your live streaming. Okay, for the case if you wanna like go live later, like you inform your viewers, if you more audience or subscribers, or you can inform like them, like you can say, or you can schedule like 2 days before you go live, or even if you just set it like 1 day, then your subscribers YouTube will notify them, so that by the time you go live, they're aware of that. So if you want to, you can see here later date. Okay, this when you wanna go live, just at a later date, like you set up the time, and then once that time it has reached, then you can go ahead and go live. Super simple. So this is like to go live at a later date. You can see schedule a stream for a later time. You can even set it up ahead of time. You get it, I was saying. Okay, so if you wanna do like schedule for your streaming or going live, then you're gonna tap on start, then you can set the date. And I don't want to make this video too long. Actually, this is how you're gonna do that. We're gonna be doing that. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually close this, because I don't want to go live right now. I was just showing you how you can enable this feature and have access. So simply, what do I mean here? I mean that the moment you enable going live or request to go live, you're not gonna go live directly. If it is your first time, you're gonna wait for 24 hours, not that. And you've seen that I was running with just a few minutes. That is when I decided to record this tutorial or video. So this is, guys, more content creators and new people who are here on YouTube, this is how you're gonna get started, go live. Just make sure you prepare everything ahead before. That's why I recommend, if you're watching this tutorial, go ahead and enable this feature now, so that by the time you want to go live, you will just come and click on there, go live, and then you just set it up, and whether you go live or you just schedule it. So this is very simple. I don't want to make this tutorial or video too long. It's already somewhat getting long. Yeah, it's worth it. So it's cool. Go ahead and do your live streaming, and this is where you're gonna accumulate or get more watch time, which will contribute to your 4,000 hours of watch time, as well as 1,000 subscribers, because via live, that's where you're gonna get more subscribers and of course watch time, as well as getting more views. So this is fast way to get to monetization by doing live, because everything's gonna be faster compared to the other traditional way of uploading videos. But of course, it depends to your choice, and don't fear just going live. It's super simple. Even if you got a phone or a computer, just start with what you have, then you can go. Of course, if you have many questions on how to set it up, how to go live without being scared on being on camera or whatever, I'm gonna be making different stories here. I'm helping different content creators around the globe or around the world to grow their YouTube channel and get more and be able to make more good, qualified, or amazing, good quality content or better content. So if you wanna jump in to join our community or join this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, you become successful here on YouTube, you need to subscribe to our channel because we're sharing different tips to different content creators, especially you who are starting your YouTube channel, so that you can become successful. And if you wanna go live, I'm sharing different tips. Be sure to check one of the videos on our end screen here, either here or here, so that we're gonna grow together. You're gonna learn more tips on how you can grow your YouTube channel and become successful. And I will see you in other videos like this one. Take care. Bye bye. I'm Emmanuel.